Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, let him come back with another video. Hey, man, say, man, look, you know what I'm saying? Some light, some different today, you feel me? But yo, look, make sure I go cop, make sure I go shop at Up Next Lifestyle, man, on Instagram, man, the Satin Line Beanies. If y'all don't know already, man, then y'all just don't know, you feel me? Y'all just don't know about them. But make sure y'all go cop, make sure I go shop the Satin Line Beanies at Up Next Lifestyle or at upnextmalyt on IG. All right. So look, right, peep, right, and this go out to all my heads, anybody out there, right, who really just watch my videos, anything, right. I'm about to really like put y'all on game. You feel me? And something specific about my hair that just make me different from anybody that you ever watched on YouTube. You feel me? Just the simple fact of I've never got my I never got my dreads dyed. You feel me? I never got my dreads dyed, all right? So look, so the reason why they play like a big part and like a huge factor into this video is because I feel like my hair is more healthier because it's never been bleached or dyed or in some way damaged. You feel me? Like I know a whole bunch of people. I know most of everybody who got dreadlocks, they dyed their hair already, you feel me? And I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with dyeing your hair. I'm just saying, hold on, this light busting. Hold on, y'all. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with your like dyeing your hair and shit, but I'm just saying it's like sometimes you people like see the main reason people be doing a lot of this stuff is because they see other people doing it. Just because you see a person do it, don't you go off and do it. Actually read about it. Actually read it. What you doing to your hair? Is it stripping your hair in any type of way? Is it doing anything to your hair that's gonna mess up its growth? You feel me? So when you put stuff in your that was my problem when I first started out this dreadlock journey, bro. When you first put stuff in your hair, you gotta at least read what's on the back. Read what's on the back. read the ingredients on like inside. You know what I'm saying? So just do that. You feel me? Before you even put it in your hair. And I feel like if it's like a big word that you cannot pronounce, you damn sure don't need it. You just don't need it unless you research the word that you know what I'm saying. So people always come to me like, yo, like, what's the best product? I'm definitely going to make a video about that. It's definitely a video after this, like, telling y'all what's the best products and this and that and the third, right? But my main point of this is do your own research when it comes to growing your hair. Do your own research when it comes to, and y'all see I got it rigged. So I don't know why. But do your own research. You know what I'm saying? Do your own research when it comes to this dreadlock journey or anything like that. All right. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and give y'all some more tips on this. Just like stay aware. That's all I'm trying to say. Of what you put in your hair. You know what I'm saying? And like, cause one thing is I don't even put nothing in my hair. You feel me? I don't put nothing in my hair. Oh, how your dreads get so long? How you go fast? I don't put nothing in my hair. I don't mess with my hair. You feel me? I used to put stuff in my hair. That's why you can like kind of see build up and product like in my hair from like the older days and stuff. But now I don't put nothing in my hair. On 4 years in, I don't put nothing in my hair. I wake up like this. I wake up like I literally only thing I do is put on a satin line beanie. I swear, only thing I do is put on a satin line beanie each and every day, bro. And like my hair is just, it's always warm. It never lacks moisture. You feel me? And it's really in its best shape it's ever been. You know what I'm saying? It done been some times in my life where my hair would be thinning out up top. Now sometimes it was based off of the environments that I placed myself in. I'm not saying that my hair just naturally started doing that, but it's like ever since I just stopped putting products in my hair, you know what I'm saying? When I went to one loctician, she told me something about rose water. I used rose water one time, but not enough to experience it really. So I don't really know really much about that. But I researched about it and it does help. But I use shower water, bro. You feel me? The mist of the shower, it get in my dreads. You feel me? So that's really the only time that my hair receive, my dreadlocks really receive moisture. You feel me? That's really the only time. Other than that, I don't put no type of products in my hair to make my. Now look, my girl, she take biotin. And like she about to create her YouTube channel as well and do all that type stuff. Y'all gonna know. Y'all gonna know when she created her YouTube channel. It's obviously gonna be videos out and all that type stuff. Like it's gonna be different videos that's posted on my channel. You feel me? Y'all kind of get the gist of my channel, bro. I'm gonna do what I want to do on my channel. You feel me? I might react to a video. I might make my own video. I might get on a video with my girl, make it a challenge. I might go do a public interview. I can do whatever I want on this YouTube jump. So like everybody who's saying, oh, you with this channel, you with this channel, choose this, choose that. I'm not choosing nothing. I'm choosing what I want to do. You feel me? If I want to vlog, and my window open, by the way, so y'all might hear the train. But if I want to vlog, I'm gonna wake up and vlog. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wake up and vlog. You feel me? If I would just want to sit here and just make videos just like this, I'm gonna do that. A lot of y'all should be doing that. But that was just for the people out there who just typing and shit like that, because I'll just be looking at the comments. I don't know why. But yeah, for sure. But yeah, man, so I'm gonna just kind of cut this video short. We haven't even arrived to the 8-minute mark. You know what I'm saying? Just a little simple video, just a little light video. Of course, we gotta still get an 8 minutes in, but that's really all I got for y'all today. You know what I'm saying? On how I really how my hair journey. And I know it kind of sounds weird. Oh, you didn't really say what you use for your hair. Like, that's the thing, bro. Sometimes in life, less is more. You feel me? I'm saying? Like, using less stuff is better. You feel me? See, sometimes when you do the most, you overdo it. You feel me? When you putting all that bleach in your hair, when you dyeing all your hair different types of colors, you overdoing it. You know what I'm saying? I see like a lot of people, they losing hair like up here, up all like, I don't know if it's their eating habits or is it just their lifestyle, the way they treat their hair. I don't know. I don't know what be going on. I don't know if it's like hereditary or anything like that. I don't know. But I just feel like when it come down to something like that, it comes to how you really how you treat yourself. You feel me? How you treat yourself. I treat my dress like this every day. My dress get treated like kings because they get a crown on his head each and every day. You feel what I'm saying? So that's what we doing over here. You feel me? I just didn't come up with this out of nowhere. You know what I'm saying? I looked at it, I'm like, yeah, that's one. That's the one, because I'm going through this dread journey junk and I'm like, yeah, that's the one. You feel me? So yeah, for sure, man. Make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later. Don't forget to go shop at Up Next Lifestyle or at upnextmalyt, satin line beanies. Peace.